There is no such thing as having attained enough. Life is an endless possibility. In the vastness of the cosmic space, you are like a grain of sand. For one who has a clear focus on the path, Mukti is just a question of time. Do not wait for things to happen, make them happen. The experience of life should mature you. It is your choice to transform a memory into a wound or wisdom. Capability and power without the necessary consciousness is dangerous. It's time to raise human consciousness. If it is conditional, it is not love. You can be socially smart but existentially stupid. Neither health nor joy can be created from outside. There may be external stimuli, but essentially both come from within. There is no such thing as work life balance. It is all life. The balance has to be within you. Spiritual process is not a philosophy, it is a method to live your life totally. Walls of self protection are also walls of self imprisonment. If you want to enjoy success before you engineer situations, first of all you have to engineer yourself. You don't have to be super smart for your child to grow up well. You just have to be joyful, loving, and straight with them. There is no place where there is no grace. I am not trying to give answers. I want you to deepen your questions in such a way that truth becomes the only authority in your life. Mysticism does not come from the East, it comes from within. The only real wealth you can carry through life and death is profoundness of experience. Conflict in the world is not about good versus bad, but one man's belief versus another man's belief. Once you have no expectations of what the other should do, you will have a successful love affair. You must live strong. Strong not in terms of how much you can push something or someone, but strong within yourself. I don't see individual human beings. I don't see individual things. I see the same divinity everywhere. If instead of working up your desires, you enhance your capabilities, you will walk through this life effortlessly, gracefully, doing very well. No work is stressful. It is your inability to manage your body, mind, and emotions that makes it stressful. If we want the country to move forward, the focus of leadership has to shift from personal ambition to a larger vision. Success need not always be measured in economic terms, it has to be measured in quality of life. When you are in great hurry to do something, just hold back a few seconds. That's all it takes to shift from compulsiveness to consciousness. When there is no envy, jealousy, and comparison within you, you can focus your full capabilities on doing what is needed. Yoga means union. To be in a state of yoga means to be complete within yourself. External circumstances can only cause you physical pain. Suffering is created in your mind.